With the kitchen already refinished, the roof repaired, and the cabinets installation nearly complete, Empresta says she couldn't be happier.
Prime Minister in my home, like you never would dream something like that, you see. But everything is working out for me. I'm more excited. I'm happy with what's going on. Can't wait because it looked like I'm living my kitchen is a new place.
In case you missed the news or want to stay ahead, subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on X, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook.